In this video, we are going to show you how to train the AI assistant with a website link in Elfsight. Now, to do this, you actually need to create a new AI chatbot. So again, you need to be signed in. And once you sign in, click on your profile on the upper right corner of your screen like so to bring you to the dashboard. All right, once this loads, at the very default setting here that you're going to see, it's going to be on the AI chatbot option, right? So here, as you can see, we have an untitled AI chatbot. So we're just going to edit this to continue what we're doing. So once you click on edit, you are going to see this, which is create an AI agent, and you're going to enter a URL or a link for the AI agent to analyze and study. So it says here, help your AI agent understand your business and its role on your website. Enter your website URL and the agent will analyze it to get a general idea of your business. So just do that, click on analyze. So that is actually how you train your AI agent here on Elfsight using whatever business link or whatever link, store link, whatever you needed to study and learn for it to learn the specific task. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.